spirit, Lord.
You get wandering spirit.
It can need banter.
When am I? It need mic them.
The mic go your back.
You not one by way, again.
By mistake, but no, the broken no come out right. I don't know how to take it.
You know how they look you?
I know.
I get mama number. If you call him mama.
Mama,
Why?
Okay. No need. Okay.
No need. For it now.
No need for now.
For now.
Anyone, welcome back to the next show. We get the gang. Mama Chinedu. See? Mama Chinedu Piki.
Yes.
Is there within Dada? Now tell us what you do and tell us what you do and how is the ministry for what you do, because Beverly we know what Beverly they do.
Okay.
They don't get ministry.
She just come.
They do that. I get ministry. I don't ministry of the hair or ministry of NK. Can you only the hair? Can
Call on ministry.
It's only
Who mic for your mouth now?
Right now, they move my ministry to the permanent side.
Yeah. What kind of ministry?
Which ministry?
The music ministry now.
Okay, music
ministry. No be church parole.
Who mic for your mouth now? You dey fear?
No, calm down now. Alright, so everybody actually know me. Say I be Slim Nico.
Why can't they rub your chest like this?
Mama no, my girlfriend they watch me, so I got this one this time. So I got.
No, you don't think happen if your girlfriend they watch, me sometimes when I go interview like that, why I know say my girl they watch, I could just see when they ask me question, say so what's up?
So what's up now?
Well, actually, you see, Joy, good evening. Hello, Joy, good evening.
Good evening.
How is you? Are you with me?
I'm fine, though.
Joy, you there call? We there front of your house, so peep for window, you go see us. Peep.
I know they hear you.
I say we there for front of your house. Look, come out for window. You go see us.
I don't with you.
I know that window for house.
Your TV there too loud. That is your problem. See, you will not make effort.
You cannot.
I dey tell you.
Look at me, Jesus.
Bye.
You see, I'm not. That one she
Please,
here.
good evening.
From Kaduna.
Please, how is you?
Fine.
Shut it down.
Yeah.
Peace, Alpha now.
Fine, I do.
Alpha.
Derenle, how
Tell your papa say they come pay your bride price tomorrow.
Hey, I dey wait for you. May you come.
But if I come here and I tell your papa say I want marry, where he go talk? No lie, yo.
He go accept you now.
He go do it.
He go accept you.
Peace say lie for Kaduna all the way.
You never know that lie. Peace, talk to us. You don't talk finish.
I want to give Mary. She dey fine.
Mary.
Who be Mary?
Sarah. Very people.
Sarah.
Now Sarah, oh
I
man.
understand, Mary. I understand.
Yeah, now Sarah. Now she be light. She's the light of the world. See her here. All of us now darkness.
I want to greet everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Good
Good evening.
Everybody will don't greet you too.
Okay.
You don't chop
Bye-bye.
night food.
I don't know your name. That's why I no call am.
It's okay.
Who?
The night food.
Now positivity.
Okay.
In withdrawal game is strong.
Very well, Papa. I dey heal am.
I know say na him. I know say you know see your shift go back. So you like in withdrawal game?
Yes, I like am very well.
From Italy, good evening. From Italy, good evening. Blessing from Blessing, what you gonna do for Italy?
Good
Oh,
evening.
that Blessing when they work for Italy. Blessing, how work?
Hey, Rakana, Belgium, blessing, Alpha.
Blessing,
For this.
Blessing, how is you?
That's me.
How work?
Good evening.
Oh, blessing, I want thank you because I know say that winter for our side. Thank you for this winter boot where you give me where they wear for heat. Thank you. Oh shit.
No problem. God bless you too.
Bless you too. Akwene. You don't look for easy bit.
No, I'm not for anything again.
So wait. Blessing. Mama Chinedu Bikin dey here. Positive dey here. Mr. Buki right dey here. Which one you want?
Which
No,
one?
I don't want any of them.
Who you want?
Oh,
Derenle?
now the girls where they here.
Oh, you want girls?
You want all the girls here?
No
Because this
one.
now the guys. We have 4 beautiful girls here. Oh.
Now girls dey here, men dey here.
Now exhibit I
Baby, you like good things. They go. We not want to talk to you again. They go. Good night. Italo, baby.
That's all.
Hello, good evening. We're on the line. Now, I be to ask you. So you say your ministry, they go very well.
No, music ministry. Let's be specific.
Music ministry. Now, how many songs you don't get so far since you start your stuff?
Oh, wow, the way your accent.
Now the swag.
You know what I mean?
I don't get a couple of songs online actually, and I get more songs here they work on right now, and more videos coming out pretty soon. So everybody just watch out for Mama Chinedu Pikin.
Mama Chinedu Pikin. Name your stage name.
No.
Coming out of stage, Mama Chinedu Pikin. I love that name though.
But the name was
That name. All mothers go they buy you and say, come and see that your friend. Mama Chinedu Pikin.
Okay, thank you very much. Now wait, because we not get time come back to you again. Those who want to follow you on top Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.
Even high five, in there high five.
High five.
But those to go.
My brother, you're everywhere.
My people we want to follow me for Instagram, for Twitter, Badu,
to go high five, MySpace,
even for WhatsApp. I Slim Nico, like SLEAM, then NICCO.
Mama
Slim Nico.
So
Mama Chinedu Pikin.
You and Brother Derenle be friends.
The question I want to ask you, take mic. Question I want to ask you before I go to Bookie right.
Okay.
You don't ever they perform. Okay, make answer this Rose. Rose.
Hello, good evening.
How is you?
I don't like it.
I'm fine, no.
Talk to the Legion.
Okay, they plenty, sha.
Rosie, can I have a dance? Rosie,
Yes.
my friends are watching me. Please don't fall my breast. Rosie, Rosie,
You, Jesus Christ.
baby, how far?
I'm fine, how you did?
How shit, baby? I can feel your ginger from that side.
You no go begin sell this your hair like this.
I'm ready to. You know, say the food where they chop now my hair they go.
Serious? Oh, yeah, begin sell and then
I go give you the hair on my head though.
Go
It will grow under your armpits. And your boys
Beverly, good evening, no.
Who is it?
Now. Okay. So, you don't talk to Sarah finish?
No.
Me?
He calls him, you like call this.
From China, Tricia.
I beg, this one, I just made in China.
Tricia. Hey, Tricia, sing that do for Li Famala, Live and do why? Je do.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Ni hao wa.
What you guys?
Tricia.
Not just Nedu that is crazy, yo.
Tricia, wait. Tell Izzy to say you love him for Chinese language.
Is it this what I need?
That one.
Tricia, not lie. I know, say, good morning. Wait. Now you're like, wait now. I know, say, good morning now. Ni homa, shida, lufu, lihi, lihi, now you good morning. How I love you. We'll come to one thing. What do you mean?
My sister, you know you silent, Joe.
Now you're Chinese, not the men that speak.
I don't know.
Oh, you talk to us with the hair. You didn't let this.
Good morning, Nazal, no, be how much.
This
guy not like
you see that your dance when you dance.
This language don't dey speak na Kutonu French. Na Kutonu you dey, na Benin you dey. And na Odegbe University you dey, I know nutrition.
Tricia, what do you find go do China?
I let school as a medical student.
Oh, you be mental student.
So, out of everywhere, you decide say you want to go learn your mental school for China.
Yes.
You don't want to get China. You have, Chinese things, Chinese certificate, Chinese.
Tricia, bye. Chinese. From Imo State, good evening.
Hey, gong chai.
Stanley, how is you?
I'm fine, my brother.
We get all the 4 girls here. Which of them you want to talk to?
My brother, on a place, you know, be small. I just have to be small thing.
Which of the girls you want to talk to?
My brother, I won't call. The other way they like made in abroad. Which one way yellow like that?
Say that. Now, Sarah be that.
Okay, you be Nigerian, I been Papa.
No, she from Russia. Talk to me and Nedu. Now we know. Talk to me and Nedu. I told Russia. Do you know that part of that part of Russia like this?
Ah, this my sister. She did nationality confused. Yes. But original one, you understand?
I will treat your matter now, Derenle.
See, when I normal, I don't get money.
Not be Derenle.
Now crazy enter, money they enter. No countries my matter. No come shutting my ration. Leave me. So they use my madness. Go find your madness. Maybe because money madness.
Now your madness.
Nah, madness.
Stanley.
I beg, I want me all of now they try,
Thank you, Stanley.
I will say,
Part of correction, not be Derenle. Not Derenle. Not Derenle. It's okay. Good night, oh. Now, positive. You don't ever get any time where you perform for stage.
Yeah.
We get just start. Positive.
No. Yeah, no, plenty like that.
I actually thought you said it's so positive.
No.
I'm
But
positive.
they always shout, but not be saying they could just come out all the things where they come out.
What did they come out? What did they come out?
Their hand now, like
They say, hey, I'm
Make your,
positive.
because of the place, they make your positive. I'm positive.
Or maybe that day his pull-out game was not good. So he cannot be trying to
now, wow.
So tell us, what do you work on now since when you don't come back from school? Because apparently you go school, you don't disappear.
Yeah.
Now,
transformation is
Sorry, sir. We are whispering. Girl, my boy.
all these girls now, no go keep quiet. Now, so now when you don't come back, what do you make people they expect from you?
Collaborations, man. I don't hook up with plenty people for industry. Apparently, I realized say plenty people for industry sabi me.
Of course.
Yeah, so I don't do link up.
Like me, I sabi you know. That song, that video where you sing for roof.
Yeah, Emini.
Sing a small.
Emini is me you were looking for. Emini, I'm that boy you been waiting for. Like, that was like 3 years ago, though.
Anybody will teach kata like your woman, but then I can't wait. Anyway, hello, good evening. Okay. Hello, Tayo. Okay, not Tayo. It is. Hello, Tayo.
Good evening.
Hey,
I think a woman you be. Good evening, bros. How is you?
Thank God.
I talk. Who you want to talk to?
I want to talk to Nedu.
Hey, I dey hear you.
Hello.
Hello.
Your children are there.
I dey fine.
I dey body your program.
Would they give out all these 4 girls? Who you want marry inside them?
That one with the race, I'm a man, I'm a woman.
Now, woman, no.
You be come check, oh. It's coming up, oh.
You don't marry.
No, he never marry. He's single.
Come marry him.
You want marry him?
Spiritual Bobby Day, oh. You be manager with me, oh. Go.
Now.
You go marry him? Don't let me give her your bride price.
No worry, I am a contortionist. We can raise it anywhere you want us to raise it. Bring it on. No pull-out game, oh.
Do you know his bride price? You know how much his bride price be?
How much?
Okay.
Now, stadium being wedding, no stadium. Bye-bye, good night. Good night. Over to you, Mr. Bookie, right? Talk to us. How far? What's happening? What's happening? Yeah, man. I see one video where you do. I don't forget the name of that song. Recently. Critical 265. That's a madness, so.
It's critical.
Critical 265.
So, okay, so far, leave the critical 265. What's up? What's in the happen with your music? Where you did now? Where you go there? What to make we expect from you? Get a microphone.
Where him they go?
No worry. Take.
Just hold on for
Pass the, remember pass the basket from secondary school. Pass
I just dropped one new song. Okay. I just talk about Critical 265.
Okay.
I get 2 songs where I try promote.
Okay.
If Black say them go drop next month.
You don't know?
No, because I don't get the final say for the label.
Okay, now your mama I get this.
No, we co-own. So we guys put us together first before we decide anything. Okay. But I get 2 new singles we're supposed to come out next month.
Okay.
Videos have been shot. by OMG, director OMG.
Okay.
And we have more competitions and more goodie bags and more stuff to give out to people.
Okay, you go dash money.
Well, I know you talk money.
You remember you put curtains on top of it. And they look and say, they want to
Easy. I have my nails are naturally white, so I don't do anything.
All right, submit your name. Ladies, please keep quiet. From America, good evening.
Emerson.
Do my brother.
No, brother, not be brother. Bra. Say bra.
You with me?
I am with you one now. Wait, I think say no nature you dey. Where you I take go America?
United States of Anambra now.
You be Amadio first speaking. Hey. Oya. Now you wait.
Of Anambra now there.
Anambra, no be Anambra. Imasi, want to talk to the girls? I do want to talk to guys.
I want to talk to the girls.
Hey, talk to the girls.
Which one?
Sarah and I want follow talk.
Which one?
Wait, Sarah.
This one.
Yeah, Sarah and I want follow.
Okay, see, man, you know what you go do, Imasi? I give you 1 minute. Toast Sarah.
Oh yeah,
Abi. If you toast her, I go pound this thing. Oh yeah, toast her.
So how you there?
fine.
So you do fine.
Thank you.
I can see your face now. It's in the enter my belly. In my own.
It's not again. Hey! Don't be interrupting my toasting. I'm toasting again.
Where are you from?
I'm from Asaba.
Asaba. Wow, is that near to me now? I go this year. I love you.
Emerson, you wait. Emerson, my brother, if now you be woman when they toast you like this, you go green. Your toasting not enter.
When one puts aside for my garden now.
Don't mind them.
Oh yeah, continue. 10 seconds more.
This man, what you want, fan?
10 seconds.
Bye, Emerson. You not fit
No
toast.
be Kindle meeting be this.
No, now if your toasting enter.
Bye. Your time don't finish. Humphrey from Sululele.
That green and gold go visit you this night for that kind of thing.
Humphrey.
That good.
Humphrey, now you be our last caller today. Time not again. Humphrey. Very. Humphrey.
Humpty
Yeah.
Humpty Dumpty.
It's Humphrey.
You want to talk to the girls? I've been at the guys you want to talk to.
The guys and the girls though.
Oh yeah, talk quick.
Oh, you talk.
Oh, the CD.
Alpha now,
The CD Alpha.
What's the apple now, one guy?
Yeah, I feel you. If a guy. Nah, so.
I delivered tonight now, you see. I've been delivered tonight now.
Rita Lori. No, Rita.
Bossy, I am. You the first guy now.
Alpha.
Where's the dog?
Alpha now, follow me talk.
Everything there. If you fresh, go. You fresh.
My brother.
Now only positivity you the talk to.
You know, she said that.
I don't
You didn't
know.
say that. Come and say positive friend.
Now what for you?
Bye.
You can't
We not get time again. Wait. Sweetheart, quick talk. Look, I will get like 2-3 minutes to come up from inside studio. Tell us what's up. What you go do for Ghana?
Hey. I go possess my possession. Finish.
Real quick.
Nedu Guamoku. Anna Nuge.
I hear say, Amen. They say you and 3G will have been there.
Oh, Uka.
They say that too been there.
Oh, Uka. Oh, Uka Kaineje. Oh, Uka is strong.
Let's look at them.
He's my Christian brother.
Derenle, I don't think you will talk true.
I will talk
You know,
true.
see, Christian brother day. Christian brother day.
Yeah.
So, which of the Christian brother I be? Now that Christian brother, I be this Christian
No,
brother.
we attend the Church of the Most High.
Christian brother.
The Church of the Most
They
High
get
God.
prayer meeting together kind of things.
Thank you, baby.
Is he daddy or daddy?
His brother.
Okay. Not get anything to talk in that bad man.
No need to talk.
If you want to follow Beverly on top Instagram, all of them follow her Beverly. You search for her, you can see her there.
My hair.
Fine hair. And then follow this madman here.
Find me.
Derenle underscore Edu.
As soon as they cross person for Twitter,
I will feel-
send them. I go to Twitter.
And then follow. No, Derenle be mumu. Then go abuse you. You go
That's
to
why
Twitter.
I say you say, when they go house, you don't know. You would abuse us.
That's why I follow your top Twitter, your Instagram and handle.
OJ Right.
OJ Right.
AYYWIIG. 2 Y's.
What do you call him for, Mr.
Posity, those who want to follow you quick.
Yeah, now POSLYTD. Every social media. Yeah.
Pull up game so strong. Anyway, it's been good night. Isn't it? Give us some all of us down.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.